If you've never tried any DIY on this channel before, let this be your first. Today's DIY is the one you will never forget in a hurry because of the benefits. I mean, some of you will have no option than to start your own business after watching this video. I always tell you guys to always invest in products that work. This is one of those products you should invest in. This DIY product is perfect to be used for both hair and scalp. If your hair is not as thick as mine, you are stuck at same hair length all year round. You comb your hair and pack half on the floor. Your edges are bald, your crown section is bald, your hair is splitting and knotting all the time, your hair lacks moisture or loses moisture fast. Are you always scared of washing your hair because of shedding and breakage? Now, all those will be in the past. Those will be a thing of the past. Rush and make this powerful DIY today and thank me sooner than later. Your hair will become an envy to many if you don't miss this. Watch this video to the end, get the ingredients and start making yours now. A trial will convince you. No need to talk too much on this video. Let's get started immediately. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dima. Please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Share with your friends and family that really need this video or that have got hair issues. So basically what you're seeing on your screen right now is how I trim my ends. I always trim my ends for those of you that may be curious. So to begin, grab a bowl. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is rosemary leaves. These are the dried version. I suggest you use the dried version because of what we are using it for. Rosemary has been used by many to promote hair growth successfully. Science and personal experience together both strongly suggest that rosemary protects against hair loss, particularly that related to male or female pattern baldness. For the proportion, we are making use of 1 tablespoon of the rosemary leaves, which I transferred into the bowl. Please, if you don't have glass bowl, feel free to use any bowl of your choice, but make sure they are sterilized. Moving on to our second ingredient, I have green tea leaves. When used topically, the polyphenol content in green tea can help disinfect and nourish your scalp to promote healthy hair growth. Tea rinses can also help soothe and calm inflamed scalp and promote cell rejuvenation to inhibit hair fall and boost new hair growth. Again, for the proportion, I measured out a tablespoon of the green tea leaves into the bowl. Moving on to our third ingredient, I have cinnamon sticks or cinnamon powder, but I prefer you use cinnamon powder. So I've got both in the bowl. So we are going to be making use of the cinnamon powder. When applied to the scalp, cinnamon stimulates circulation. This encourages hair growth and reduce hair loss. It also has antifungal properties which help treat dandruff caused by Malassezia, a type of fungi. Cinnamon can't dye or lighten your hair. So please take note. For the proportion, I made use of 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Moving on to our first carrier oil. I'll be using olive oil and I'll be measuring that out in 2 tablespoons. You can go high or low depending on the quantity of the product you're making. So I'm just going to be making a sizable one. That's why I'm measuring that out in little quantities. So moving on to our next carrier oil, I've got cold pressed castor oil and I'll be measuring that out in 2 tablespoons as well. Moving on to our next ingredient, I've got virgin hair fertilizer. You guys already know that this product has been on the internet for the longest of time. Everyone have been raving about this product, including me. I totally love this product. I've used the tube and now I'm making use of the cup. It comes in tube and it also comes in a cup, just like so. So whichever you like, you can purchase. So I think I prefer this cup ones. because it's very easy to dispense. So I just measured out 1 tablespoon of that. So moving on to our next, I've got this 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. Guys, I also love this product. Mixing it with herbs is amazing. It gives nice result to the hair. So I measured that out again in 1 teaspoon. Moving on to our next ingredient, I've got original African shea butter. So I'll be measuring that out in 2 teaspoons. This is the first one, so I'll scoop out another one, making it 2 teaspoonfuls of the shea butter. Please guys, if you want to buy shea butter, make sure you're getting the original. You can get all these ingredients on Amazon. Don't ask me where can you get it. They are there on Amazon. So bring some water to boil in a pot. Using this DIY double boiler method, we are going to be melting all these ingredients. At the same time, we are equally going to be infusing the herbs in it. So like I was saying, if you want to get any of these ingredients mentioned in this video, go on Amazon search bar. I think Amazon ships worldwide, so go on Amazon search bar, type whichever ingredient you want to purchase, and then have it purchased, have it delivered to your doorstep. Amazon delivers everywhere in the world. Okay, if you want the rosemary leaves, peradventure, you can just type rosemary leaves and a lot will pop up. Choose from any vendor you would like. Check for the vendor that have got more review. That's how to purchase things like that. So purchase from vendor that have got more amazing reviews. Or if you want to buy cinnamon powder, for instance, the same thing. So after infusing that and also melting the butters and the grease, I strained with my cheesecloth. Guys, use cheesecloth so that you don't have all the particles in your hair grease. So grab a jar that is also sterilized, transfer that warm. Make sure it is warm, because if you waste time and it's cold, it's going to congeal. Place that in your fridge for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes and you will have your hair pomade. This is amazing, guys. This is super potent. I kid you not, you will never regret making this. This is packed with loads of goodness, and I promise you, you're going to love it. You're not going to use your hair butter again if you try this out. From the ingredients, you already know that this product is packed with lots of amazing potent ingredients, and this product is going to be amazing and is potent. Is going to do wonders to your hair. So I will just start applying to my hair from scalp to roots. Sorry I didn't show you how I apply to my scalp, but my hair shaft was well coated with it. You will see an instant result of using this. The shine that it gives to the hair is on another level. Can you see that moisture? That's so amazing. That's how it's going to seal in moisture in your hair and keep your hair moisturized for long. For storage, this product can be stored up to 6 months without preservatives. That is, if you don't allow moisture to penetrate while making this product. Look how shiny that twist is looking, guys. This product is so good. I love it so much, and I think you should try it, both for your kids from 2 years upwards. All right, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Drop all your questions in the comments below and I will definitely reply you all. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, share this post with family and friends. Anyone you know that have got hair issues that I mentioned earlier in this video, share this video with them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.